Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series generation F10 F11 that you see right here. That's a 5 Series from year 2010 to year 2018. If you want to see how to remove or how to replace rear bottom seat, stay with us. We'll explain what you need to do, how you can safely get it out, where are the hidden clips, what you can expect guys. Now, we'll talk about that and common mistakes people make as well. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we guys continue, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to take it completely apart and make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos and show you how to fix pretty much anything from transmissions, engines to interior bodywork, fuses, relays, also engine codes, transmission codes, all that stuff. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video guys. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hopefully they will be helpful. Please subscribe. So guys, the lower seat, how do you remove it guys? Okay, now you don't have any bolts, any screws, anything like that. So what you guys need to do right here, if you come, okay, you're going to grab your seat on the front right side and you're going to lift up. Okay, there is one clip going in a spring, you will see, and you get on this side. You don't need to push back, you don't need to push forward, you just need to pull straight up. When you guys do that, the next step, you see the seat belts here, okay? We need to make sure we lift up. When we lift up like this one, it's gonna be pretty bad here. We never cleaned since we bought the car underneath it. That's why we're switching seats and we want to see what it looks like. But now we're going to remove all the belts, guys. Okay, all the belts that are right here, so that's gonna be a little bit tight here, but eventually guys, okay, it will come out. Okay, just like this one. And the lower seat, okay, practically guys, okay, we're able to remove it. Okay, you can see just like this one. This is the bottom piece. Now you see those springs right here, okay? Those springs guys, okay, they're touching these metal clips right there. Let us show you. Okay, these metal clips. So that's the only thing holding the lower seat on BMW F10 rear lower seat F10 F11. So that's how you guys remove the rear lower seat on BMW F10 F11. If you need to buy any parts too at a good price, quick shipping that way, do not waste money guys. And time, we'll put link in the description of the video below where you can find them. Thank you guys for watching. And hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.